Okay, this is a video to show you some decent default sounds that come with Fruity Loops. None of these I'm going to show you today have been downloaded. These are purely default sounds for FL Studio 8. The first sound, I like to apologize for not releasing a video for 3 weeks, almost a month. I just had a scratchy throat last week, which is why I didn't make one last week, which was what I was gonna do in the first place. Well, the first sound I'm going to be showing you is under channel presets, 3x oscillator. It's the organ. I already have mine over here. So, I like the organ. This is one of the sounds I have used before, and I just put together this thing. It's off the top of my head, and this is something I made off the top of my head like a couple of seconds ago. Remember that this is just, I'm just going to show you the sound by itself. Like, I'm not going to have any other things in there. Let me think. Okay, another one I use is, I have used is the string 10, also under channel presets, 3x oscillator, string 10, right there. Not sure if you can hear that. Okay. That's a pretty good sound. Well, to my ear. Let's see what else we have here. Channel presets, beat map, due to 6. It is like a, I don't know how to describe it. I just like the way it sounds. Some people do, some people don't. Has kind of a whistle to it if you go higher pitch, but has kind of an alien sound to it if you say lower pitch. I have used the due to 6 before, but I usually don't use it because it's, I don't know, I just can't fit it in anywhere. Another sound is the ARP, which is, let's see if I can find this again. Channel presets, I believe. Yes, channel presets and plucked. You can do that with the ARP. You can do a lot of stuff with these. Any sound will pretty much work. Also a pretty decent sound. Well, that was bad grammar, I think. Let's see what else we got here. Short square kind of creates a weird sound. Some people like it, some people don't. I'm just gonna make something. Clicking random spots. See, it's weird. It sounds like a video game, like Mario. It sounds like you made Mario. Super Mario. Alright. Another sound that I pretty much like a lot is the dark piano. Fast way to get this, right click one of your sounds, go to insert, or replace if you want to delete your current sound. But insert, FL keys, and then right here you're going to change this. It's upper left arrow on FL keys. Click it, go down to presets, and then change the preset to dark piano. And now you have a dark piano, which is like really cool, because dark pianos are cool, but that's not the point. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Here's something you can do with the dark piano. Let's see, where is it? knew that. Guys, this is just some of the sounds. I got one more, I believe, for you. And it's hip hop folder. Perks. Perk Steel Drum C5. That is the sound Soulja Boy used and Crank That. Yeah. That's pretty much all I gotta show you. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to show you guys sample of an earlier beat that I made. I'm not the best beat maker. If some of you have thought that was like really good, no, I'm pretty much average beat maker. Some of you watching my tutorials are probably better than me. I'm not that good, but this is just a little sample of a beat I made, and the snare drum is messed up right now. I'm working on it, but here we go. Alright. Please rate and comment. Subscribe if you like my tutorials. I plan to release more later. Oh, my brother brought up my brother, which is Football 2008 annotation. Link to his channel on the annotation that you are seeing right now. He brought up a really good point. Why do they call small snacks fun size if in fact it is funner to eat a larger snack? I mean, when you get more enjoyment out of that, there's more there. I mean, very good point. But Football 2008, it's pretty cool videos. He's my brother, older brother. He's cool. Yeah, go ahead and subscribe to him, add him as a friend, whatever. But he's cool.